In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create survey using Pipedrive. To get started, sign into your Pipedrive account and look at the main navigation. Find and click Leads. Inside the Leads area, locate Web Forms and click it. This is where you can create a form that functions like a simple survey, collecting responses directly into Pipedrive. On the Web Forms page, click the button for plus New Web Form. Pipedrive will show you different ways to begin. Select Blank, then choose Create Form. Starting from a blank form is useful for surveys because you can control exactly what appears and you can keep it as short or as detailed as you need. Once the form opens, go into the form editor. You will be building your survey by adding elements to the page. First, add an introduction. This is important because it sets expectations for the person answering. Keep it clear and friendly, such as a short line that explains what the survey is for and how long it will take. Next, add your survey questions by creating input fields. In the editor, choose Input Field, then select Plus, Add New Field. Pipedrive will ask what type of field you want to add. Choose the field type that matches your question. For example, you might use a single choice option when the respondent should pick only one answer, or a text field when you want a written response. Selecting the right type helps keep your data clean and easier to review later. After you choose the field type, type your question, and if the field supports it, add the answer options. Take a moment to make the wording simple and specific, so the respondent knows exactly what to provide. When you are done, click Save for that field. Continue adding fields until your survey has everything you need. Then click Save again to save the overall web form. This ensures all changes in the editor are stored. When you are ready to share your survey, click Share and Embed. From there, choose Copy Link. You can now distribute that link wherever you collect responses, such as in a message, a newsletter, or on your website. That covers everything you need to know.